naman po sa inyo lahat. And right now, andito ngayon ako sa Barangay San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna, where as you can see behind me is a Bro Coffee Shop. Ayan. Actually, one of my cousins invited me here to come this place. At chismis niya actually sa akin kung gaano kasarap ang mga coffee as its best dito sa Bro Coffee Shop. Come on, let's go mga kalakbay. Let's taste it! There you go mga kalakbay, and right now I'm so very happy and so very excited to have with me here is the owner of Bro Coffee Shop. Sir Nick, good evening.
Good evening po.
Alright, can you invite some followers and viewers from Kalakbay TV dito sa your coffee shop?
Hello mga Kalakbay TV. So if you are in San Pedro, Laguna, try to visit this hidden gem in Barangay San Antonio or Putol, they call Bro Coffee Shop. You can find us in Google Maps, Waze, or whatever platform you can use, available po.
Alright, there you go. And Sir Nick, I have here, ayan, grabe, itong very cold and sweetened coffee. Can you tell us what is the best seller here among those your coffee variants here? Ano yung pinaka-station ng coffee dito? Talagang binabalik-balikan ng mga parang yan.
Alright, we do have lots of coffee po dito sa shop, but for now, yung mga tao sa paligid, they like coffee with flavors like chocolate, white chocolate, and caramel, and like yours po, Spanish, with content. So medyo sweet tooth yung mga paligid natin, but we do also offer yung mga specialty coffee like pour-overs dito sa shop, and then we also have drinks na medyo parang cocktail with a kick of a little alcohol.
Oh my God! I'm so very excited to taste, I promise, guys. And of course, I just want to ask, can you tell us about the operating hours and days kung anong oras yung nag-open and yung araw na bukas?
Sure. We are open every Wednesday to Sunday, 5 p.m. until 12 midnight. Pero minsan nag-extend pa kami ng 12 midnight. Depende if may customer na nagre-request. So, wala problema. Just PM us.
Alright, so actually grabe ha. Napadaan ako dito last few days ago. Guys, promise, ang dami nilang customer. So, what are you waiting for? Come here and visit the Bro Coffee Shop. Sir Nick, only here at
San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna.
Barangay San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you so much mga kalakbay! Sulit na! Coffee lover dyan!